Okay, this is the 3723 Weather Shield Premium box fan. It's a 20-inch version. I've had this since last year. Got it around the spring or summer of last year. And it's a pretty decent fan. It has 5 blades, 3 speeds. Pretty standard box fan, but it's better than the 3733. The 2 legs. Also the tuna can motor in the back. Your typical modern box fan. It's just the version that don't have the Weather Shield logo. It just says lasko. But it's the exact same thing. We're going to go through all 3 speeds. High, medium, and low. Okay, 1 second. It's not plugged up. That's what happens when you do a live video. A free show always tend to happen. This is high speed. Medium. It's a very stable fan. I can even run this fan on all 3 speeds without the legs. But with the legs, it's a little bit more stable. Low speed. I ran this fan all last spring and all last summer, so it's very dirty. I might have to clean it. Taking it back to medium, high, and then the spin down. It's not as loud as the 3733. The 3733 is super loud. Super duper loud. I'll do a video of that real soon, but this is the 3723 Weather Shield box fan. The premium version. The spin down. This video was done with my tripod for the first time. So let's see how this does. If it looks good, I'll use the tripod all the time when I do videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you and have a blessed Monday.